Have you ever wondered how prehistoric animals compare to the animals we see today? Let's dive into a quick side-by-side look at the differences and a few surprising similarities between these ancient giants and our modern-day wildlife. First, let's define what we mean by prehistoric. Prehistoric animals are creatures that lived before humans started recording history, which means before the invention of writing. So, we're talking millions of years ago. Think dinosaurs, saber-toothed cats, mammoths, and giant sea reptiles. On the other hand, modern-day animals are the species living right now, from elephants and lions to birds and insects. One major difference is size. Prehistoric animals were often much bigger, like the Argentinosaurus, a dinosaur that could reach over 100 feet long and weighed as much as 10 elephants. Compare that to our largest land animal today, the African elephant, which tops out at around 13 feet tall and weighs up to 7 tons. Water animals show a similar trend. The ancient megalodon shark was about 3 times the size of today's great white shark. But it's not just about size. Many prehistoric animals had strange features that don't exist today. Take the Ankylosaurus, for example, a tank-like dinosaur with heavy armor and a clubbed tail, or the pterosaur, with wingspans as wide as small planes. Modern animals still have unique traits, but nothing quite as extreme. Let's talk about survival. Prehistoric animals faced very different climates and challenges. Earth's atmosphere was sometimes richer in oxygen, and the continents were arranged differently, creating unique ecosystems. Today, animals adapt to rapidly changing environments, urban areas, deforestation, and climate change, but the challenges are often human-made. Another key difference is extinction. Most prehistoric animals are long gone, wiped out by massive events like asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, or ice ages. While extinction still happens today, it's often because of habitat loss, pollution, or the introduction of invasive species. In fact, scientists say we're in the middle of a new wave of extinctions, this time caused mostly by humans. But here's something amazing. Some modern animals are direct descendants of prehistoric ones. Birds are actually living dinosaurs, and crocodiles have barely changed for millions of years. So when you look at a bird or a croc, you're actually getting a glimpse into Earth's ancient past. So, in summary, prehistoric animals were often bigger, weirder, and faced different challenges. Modern animals, while smaller and less extreme, are just as fascinating, constantly evolving to survive in our ever-changing world. Next time you visit a zoo or see a bird in your backyard, remember, you're looking at the latest chapter in an incredible story that started millions of years ago.